Hello and welcome to this PyScript video tutorial. This is an extension to my previous tutorial on working with packages and modules. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate on using local Python module in our HTML file. So last time I left it here where the output was rendered on my browser like this. So now I want to create a local module and use that module in my HTML file. So how can I do that? So for that, I will first create a file. Let me call it data.py. So what I want to do is I want uh, the task of getting these two collections for x and y from a local module. So what I will do is I will create a function here called, let's call it create x and y. Then I will use x as np.random.rand and 100. Similarly, y equals to np.random.rand and 100. So I will return x and y. But before that, because I need to use numpy, so I will import numpy as np. So now I can use this np here. But let's make this function a little bit more dynamic so that I can have as many random numbers as I want by providing a parameter here. Let us say it n, so it will create n number of random variables for x and n number of random variables for y. So after that, what I need to do is I need to go to my HTML file. So in order to use that module or the local module, I will need to tell the Py environment that I want to use it. So the way to do that is we have a paths list here, and then we give the path of the module. So for now we have our data.py in the same folder as our HTML file. So this will be the path. And again, the process is same. After that, we need to import that function from data import create x and y. Then here what I can do is I can have x comma y and create x and y. So for now we will give a value of n equals to 100. So and I will save this. So after that, what I'm going to do is I will shortly tell what I did. So this import data from import create x and y, these are the Python codes that you should be familiar with, and I am storing the return value from this create x and y function in x and y like so. And I have my data.py which is defined like this. So let us see if we have succeeded to work with local modules and be able to get the same result as we did before. Here, what I want to tell you is these Python codes, they are uh, same as you would do when writing Python file. The only difference is you need to tell this file, or the browser should understand that there is a module called data.py, and it should be defined or declared like so. So I think I don't need this here, so I'll just comment out that also. Yes. So if I now look into my browser, I see the same output as it was before. So that was all for local modules in PyScript. Stay tuned for another PyScript video tutorial. Till then, bye bye.